Welcome to Meta News, your news channel to be up to date on topics related to cryptocurrencies, Metaverse, NFT, and many more. Thanks for tuning in. Cardano's Sundaeswap reaches new milestone. After years of serving only the native ADA token, the Cardano network has been growing the ecosystem immensely for about half a year. The so-called total value locked is the total value of crypto assets invested in a decentralized financial protocol or DeFi protocols in general. The value has become an important statistic for assessing interest in DeFi projects. Sundaeswap is the first decentralized cryptocurrency exchange on the Cardano blockchain. Since its launch in January 2022, the decentralized exchange has experienced significant growth. Many traders prefer the platform for trading, swaps, and yield farming. Another significantly important step represents the inclusion of the Sundaeswap token with crypto exchange Bitrue. Let's move on to the next topic. Crypto assets such as Bitcoin and the infrastructures they use could become a threat to global financial stability, according to the Financial Stability Board. In a recent report, the FSB points out that the capitalization of the crypto asset market has more than tripled in the past year, reaching about $2.6 trillion. Direct links between crypto assets and systemically important financial institutions and core financial markets, while growing rapidly, are currently limited, the report said. Still, institutional exposure to crypto asset markets has increased over the past year, albeit from a low base, it said. If the current trend in the scale and interconnectedness of crypto assets with these institutions continues, there could be implications for global financial stability, the FSB warns. Stablecoins are currently used primarily as a bridge between traditional fiat currencies and cryptoassets, which has implications for the stability and functioning of cryptoasset markets. If a major stablecoin were to fail, it is possible that liquidity in the broader crypto asset ecosystem would be reduced, disrupting trading and potentially causing stress in those markets. This could also spill over into short-term funding markets if stablecoin reserves were liquidated in a disorderly manner. According to the FSB, the importance of crypto assets goes hand in hand with an increasing use of decentralized finance. DeFi is a blockchain-based ecosystem that enables digital financial services, for example, an investment of crypto assets such as Ethereum in smart contracts. Anyhow, who has seen the Super Bowl? The Super Bowl ad for crypto exchange Coinbase crashes their app. The crypto exchange Coinbase had a particularly clever advertising idea for the Super Bowl, the final of the U.S. Professional Football League. In a 60-second spot, a QR code bounces across the screen, reminiscent of the iconic screensaver of a DVD player. When the code is scanned, the viewer is taken to the Coinbase website, where a limited-time offer is made to viewers. New customers receive $15 in Bitcoin and can also participate in a raffle to win 3 million tokens of the cryptocurrency. The promotion is still valid until February 15th. However, it might have been so popular that, as The Verge reports, the Coinbase app temporarily crashed, presumably due to the many hits on the crypto exchange. Those who accessed the link via the QR code were greeted with an error message. Well, that was more popular than we thought. The app assured users that it would contact them by mail if the app was back online. Currently, access to the Coinbase app via the QR code is possible again. Last, let's talk about the megabank DBS. The megabank expands their crypto offering. The Asian megabank DBS is significantly expanding its crypto offering. The launch is expected at the end of 2022. Singapore is considered the financial center in Southeast Asia. But also in terms of crypto, the city-state was able to attract young startups and companies early on due to a crypto-friendly regulation. The banks in Singapore are also already working on solutions to facilitate access to Bitcoin and company. Singapore's largest bank, DBS, is apparently working to expand its crypto trading offering. CEO Piyush Gupta confirmed this during the earnings call on Monday, February 14th. So far, only institutional investors had access to the offering. In December 2020, DBS had launched its own crypto trading platform. In August 2021, brokerage subsidiary DBS Vickers had received approval from Singapore's financial regulator to conduct token-based payment services. Gupta indicated that the now-announced service would likely be available by the end of 2022. In the call with analysts, the head of the major Asian bank also responded to the recent wave of digital attacks, which had resulted in major losses to owners of digital wallets. We have started to think about how we can reasonably go beyond the current investor base. That includes thinking about things like potential fraud and others, said DBS CEO Piyush Gupta. With all the news there has been in recent weeks and months, the bank's bid expansion may seem like nothing special. Still, DBS Bank, founded in 1968, is, after all, Southeast Asia's largest bank with several billion US dollars in customer deposits. That's it for today's update. Which theme did you like best? And what do you think of the current crypto market? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to stay up to date. Until next time, your Meta News.